Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong informed that a review meeting on COVID-19 was held today and an amended standard operating protocol for testing and discharge of COVID-19 cases were issued. He said that the protocols were issued to ease out entry and exit of people in the state without compromising the health of the people. The Meghalaya government has decided to test Assam-based traders who conduct trade in Meghalaya during the day and return to Assam the same day will not need to test themselves daily at entry points. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong said that they will have to test every 10 days by rapid antigen tests. The Deputy Chief Minister added that the price for RT-PCR, CBNAT, TrueNAT and rapid antigen tests will be finalized tomorrow. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong urged the public to refrain from sharing any news or rumors that which is affecting the peace and tranquility of the state. He said that the Bengali community has come out and said that they did not face any harassment from the local community. Please don't add fuel to the issue, he said, adding that people should not divide themselves into tribal and non-tribal. The Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare have issued new protocols for testing and discharging of COVID-19 cases. For entry and exit, the protocols now exempt persons who produce negative reports from repeat testing at entry points and mandatory quarantine. However, the person should have been tested from a recognized laboratory and through RT-PCR, TrueNAT or CBNAT. Persons with rapid antigen tests negative report will have to quarantine themselves for 7 days. Further, the negative report will be valid only if they were tested within 72 hours of arrival at the entry point. RAT negative report will be valid only if they were tested within 48 hours of arrival at the entry point. For persons without a negative report, entrants can get themselves tested through rapid antigen tests and RT-PCR at entry points at cost fixed by the government. It may be mentioned that rapid antigen tests cost ₹500 and RT-PCR at ₹3,200. Entrants who have been tested by RT-PCR will have to quarantine themselves till their results are declared. However, persons tested by rapid antigen tests will have to undergo mandatory quarantine for 7 days. All asymptomatic persons going out of Meghalaya for a short duration of 5 days or less will be exempted from quarantine if their RAT results are negative on re-entry. Visitors to the state on short duration will also be exempted from the quarantine if their RAT results are negative on entry. However, their movements will be restricted to and fro from the place of residence to their workplace. According to the fresh protocols, asymptomatic and mildly symptomatic cases won't require retest and will be discharged after 10 days, institutional quarantine or home isolation. Only patients with no fever without medication in the last 3 days can be discharged. The protocols state that a person is identified as a high-risk contact if he or she came into direct contact with COVID-19 positive person without wearing masks and was exposed to the person for at least 15 minutes. All high-risk will be tested RT-PCR on the 5th day. If negative, they won't require quarantine. On testing positive, they will have to undergo quarantine.